Hey, good morning from Scott Duckworth. I'm out. I took a motorcycle ride. I was actually headed out to Bernardino Beach, Florida, and I decided to kind of just stop at this boardwalk in, Woodbine, Georgia is where I'm at. Pretty neat place, but hey, straight to the point here. How did I monetize so quickly on YouTube? Well, for me, it was very, very simple. I do not, up to this point, do any editing, very few retakes, and I don't even make my own thumbnails. I just let them get computer generated. And let me tell you this, if you think you're going to make money and get rich quick on YouTube, you're going to be sadly mistaken. Let's see how I did it exactly. Well, the first mistake I made, I went out and bought this high dollar, well, I say high dollar, it was around $500 or $600 for a GoPro 12 and some accessories. And that worked out very nice. But by the time I put all this stuff in the computer, then had to do certain things and then get it uploaded, it was just too time consuming for me. I don't have a lot of time. So I decided to start just using my older iPhone. I don't know what version it is, but it's several years old. And I started, and I just basically just started doing videos of real life experiences with me, you know, based on the economy, mistakes I've made in finance, terrible insurance companies that I've dealt with, the cost of groceries going up, just real life experiences that the average person can relate with. And again, I looked at doing all this editing and I saw where people were doing, say, a 5 or 10 minute video, but they would spend half a day editing and putting in music in the background and all. And I don't have time for that. So I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the background noise out here, if your speakers will pick it up. So anyway, keep it simple. I do stuff, most of my videos are at home. I do some stuff kind of away, you know. I'm in a real beautiful place here, Camden County, Georgia. What else can I say? And I will tell you this, your first 100 plus videos are gonna suck. Oh my gosh, I've done some terrible videos. But I've done some that just, man, there was just tons of people that commented. My latest one was about all these insurance scams, ripoffs that these big name companies are pulling off on people in this new economy. And it is not good. Not going into that. Hey, we're going to just talk about how I monetize. So basically, how long have I been doing this? I started this particular channel about 4 months ago, and I did 3 months of videos. And I guess in about 3.5 months, I got something just a few days ago. Hey, it said, hey, you're now ready to monetize. And I had to fill out some information online, did that, went to the next step and the next step. And then just a few days ago, it showed, hey, you know what? You've got this much come in. And I was really surprised. I thought, well, that's going to be it. You know, it's not a big deal. Well, the next day it doubled, and the next day it doubled, and the next day it doubled. And today it went up another $20. So I don't know how that stuff works because I'm so new at this. But hey, I'm a 60-year-old guy. Not all that techie smart. So if I can do it, anybody can. And I've watched these other videos where people say you need to really stay on point. Don't deviate. Well, hey, I'm all over the place. I may be talking about restaurant food one day and some scam operation the next day. And maybe it does all go hand in hand. But I would say do what you like, do what you believe in, have a passion for your topic. Don't do it just for the money or you're going to be really disappointed. And have fun with it. If it becomes work, you're wasting your time. You've got to enjoy it. So that's not a whole lot of what I call really deep advice. It's what works for me. And what else can I say? Hey, go to YouTube, research a lot of stuff, but one thing you're going to see is you're going to find that people want to reach out to you and charge you, or there's all these apps out there that, hey, get this app, it will help you. I don't use any of it. Bare bones old iPhone. That's what I'm using right now. Hey, on a stick. selfie stick or whatever they call it. So keep it simple, have fun, and I guarantee you, don't be disappointed if you don't gather up a lot of people. I'm a small channel. As of today, I'm around 2,100 subscribers. So don't fall for this. You got to have 1 million subscribers to make money. That is not true. Don't waste your money on all the crap out there. And my last few words are, keep it simple. All right. If you like what you've seen so far, hey, subscribe or like. And in 30 days, I'm going to put out there exactly what I made from the day it started monetizing till the 30-day mark. And that way I can be a lot more accurate with you on what you can actually make with just minimal effort. Hey, what have I been on here? About 5 minutes? And we'll see. We'll see. All right. Thank you again. And do this. Have fun doing it.